We are here. This is the beachside project. You can see this wood is for the windows and door frames. Yes, the windows. We mostly do glasses over areas now. Nowadays, I want to take advantage of the breeze, the sea breeze, because it's enjoyable. So we want to take advantage of it and then use louvers. The louvers is going to be outside, like the normal glass. So you will see it like a cladding outside, and then everything, the net, everything will be inside, like the normal slate glass. Because we are going to take advantage of the wind here, the air blowing very nice here. At the end of the day, when you use the glass, you can adjust it and leave half when it's raining or something. You can only close it when maybe raining or something. But for this, you can adjust it. So we all learn from it here. And you can't be having breeze here whilst you still enjoy air condition. Always in the air condition, and also our power situation. So that's it. We always have a first time, so we go by it. Then you get what we mean. Thank you. And also because of the breeze here, the sea breeze, we'll be using this metal for the burglar proofing. So you can see the thickness, very very thick and expensive. Yeah. So we put it in the flames once and for all. Then we paint it. This is the rare galvanize, which can at least stand the breeze for some time than the metal. Yeah. And this is what we are going to use into the flames. We drill it and put them in. So in a way, the wood may be costly in a way, but with it, joining all together, forming the aluminium frames, and then at the same time, burglar proofing for the windows, it becomes somehow equal. Yeah, I don't have anything less expensive in construction. No, you can't cut corners. No, but what you want is what you get. Yeah, that's it. When you want the lower two, you will end up doing something inferior which you yourself won't like. Thank you very much. And as you can see, two electrical fittings are here. You can see all are plastic. Everything here is plastic. And we've taken another advantage too, as I told you. We've been able to connect the rainwater waters into this tank. This is an update of the seaside project. Yeah, on it, you could see the electrical fittings are all fixed here. Yes, this is the top. We have one at the base too. You can see everything here is plastic because of the breeze. Everything here is plastic because of the breeze. Yes, all around electrical work has been fixed. Yeah, so that's it. This is the floor. You can see very solid. Hitting on it, you won't hear anything. It's just solid. Everything here very solid. Your staircase, you walk, you don't feel anything.
So that was Brother Sammy for you with the update, and welcome back to the beach project once again. If it is your first time here, this is a 5 bedroom house that we're building for one of our clients. There's 2 bedroom downstairs and 3 bedroom upstairs. So I think this is the ground floor, and that's the living room. That's the first living room space you have at the ground floor. So in our latest update, in our previous update, actually, we talked about the fixing of the wooden frames, and also with the windows, which is going to be wood, and also like louvers glass, the small glass, instead of going with the normal sliding windows, aluminum ones that we all know, which is because of the dislocation. We are just close to the sea, so we just want to do it once and for all to prevent any future rusting or something. So this is the inside of the roofing. I think I have episode which I talked about this roofing and why we went with this type of roofing. You have so many space here. If something goes wrong with the electricals, you can go and fix it. You can also create a storage to keep your stuff there. And this is the polytank area where we will be keeping clean water, which will be flowing from the top all the way down because of the pressure. So I mean, like, this is the project so far. So today's episode we will be looking at the windows. So this is what I was talking about, which is the louvers. I think most of the aspirants will know more about this type of windows which I'm talking about, because this is what we were used to. We were used to this type of windows before we switched to the sliding one. So we are going back in time, and my contractor said he has a way of doing it, a different way of doing it, which will look nice. So let's see how that goes. So I'll hand over to Efo.
So this are to we will finish the framework to for here. The windows and then the doors are. Because of the sea breeze, that's why we are using the wood and then so this is the window frames. Because of the sea breeze, we are using the galvanized for the hose so that the sea will not disturb the rod. Instead of using the rod, no, we are not using the rod. We are using the galvanized for the windows. So these are the door frames. These are door frames. Door and then the window frames. So we finished with this one too. So we left the machine. Them two, they will come and start doing the plastering. So this is where we have reached so far. So I'll show you the galvanized too. I'll be using for the frames now. So we buy the paint tool for this one, the waterproof paint tool for this one. So we are coming to start painting this one. We'll paint all one before we fix it to the frames before the machine tool will start fixing the frame. Then from the fixing of the frame, then we start or the messing people they start doing them plastering.
So that's info for you, our chief carpenter here on the channel. And as you can see, this is the thickness of the pipes. This is pure galvanized. That's what we'll be putting in the holes of the wood to prevent, burglars from, breaking in. And you can imagine, you see the thickness. So it's very difficult for you to break in. The wood we're also using is a strong wood, so I think this even gives you maximum protection. So let's see how the installation will go in my next episode. Thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's do it.